So Declan, our first visit here in Ireland is to Linan Precision. You've had some success here, haven't you?
Yeah, it's been very good over the years now, I have to say. Myself and Jim, as you know, go back a long way, and we started off like selling 3-axis machines, and obviously over the years as things progressed, you know, Jim wanted to he was more innovative, and he wanted to, move on to the next stage, so he used to call me in, we'd sit down, pick our brains, look at jobs together and suggest what we could offer.
They brought us, at the end of the day, they brought us the whole solution. So it wasn't just a case of buying a machine and then plugging in another solution. They brought the whole thing, which was, for us, was critical. We didn't want to be dealing with different suppliers. We wanted one solution from one supplier. So generally what we tend to do is we do our setups, do our first offs during the day. So when the guys are here, so basically in the evening time, night time, this is running lights out, completely lights out.
The industries that are doing well, like construction industry's gone very well, you know, all up on the top half of the country, in the Tyrone area, sold a lot of machines into that area. So the construction, stuff like that is very busy. Aerospace is starting to climb back. I'm seeing a lot of guys in aerospace. Medical was always there, like, you know, so.
It's been good to be with you the last couple of days. You do extremely well in this Irish market, don't you?
Yeah, well, Ireland's an important market for Mills and our future growth as well. We have many loyal customers over here, and it's a busy marketplace for us, and we are investing in taking on new engineers to support that growth.
I mean, Takumi, we've been here this morning, machine being delivered. You're here yourself to see it.
Yeah.
It's very important to you to really be close to your customers, as well as Declan. That's what I'm hearing here.
Yeah, I think customers like the fact that certainly senior management take the time out and come and see what they're doing, because our customers are always keen to tell you about their growth and their future plans as well, and it's good for us to understand where they're going, so we know that we're investing in the right stock of machine tools, and maybe our strategy is in the right direction and aligns with our customers. But certainly the Irish market, I mean, obviously there's a lot of maybe people don't realise there's a lot of technology over here, you know, with aerospace and medical and maybe some more industrial sectors as well, but there's some real technology over here.
Oh, well, our relationship with Mills CNC is fantastic. Since about 2012 is when we started dealing with Mills. The calibre of the machines, but especially the service agreements. How if there's ever an issue, and it's rare that there is an issue, they are on site same day or next day with a solution. And that's a big part of the business for us, really is.
Well, I've been working with the Takumi a long time now. You know, obviously Mills CNC have been working as well with Takumi a long time, and we've absolutely, you know, I feel we've a great relationship. In a sense, the lads are very open. You know, we walk the floors together. They get involved. They listen. You know, I come up with some ideas. They come up with some fantastic ideas. And we implement them together and try to do the best, because they want leading cutting technology all the time within our brands.
I'm Fiona Murphy. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager here in Takumi. So essentially I coordinate all our pathfinders that are based out in the field, and I also look after the marketing strategy for the business, working closely with the CEO and with the founder. So it's down through the years we've continued our investment with Mills CNC, not only because of the machines that they can supply us, but primarily because of the after-sales service that we receive from them. Their customer service is second to none. If we run into a problem, we can pick up the phone and there's an engineer, there's somebody at the end of the phone with an answer to us. You can see here today the way they manage the logistics of us receiving in a new machine. We wouldn't simply get that service with many of our other suppliers. For us, our customers are the forefront of what we do, so it's very important that we can see what other businesses are doing that we think are exceptional, and that is the kind of template of excellent customer service we'd like to replicate, that which we receive from Mills CNC.
You've got to listen and talk to your customers and see what they want, and don't undersell them anything or don't oversell them anything. You've got to just make sure that you're sitting down and exactly the requirements to suit the application are put on the page, and you deliver on that and back it up, and that's the key thing to success.
You know, this year I'm pretty confident we'll have our best year of orders ever at Mills CNC. So I think there's many sectors that are waking up now, as far as, certainly aerospace, defence, power generation, and also a lot of reshoring really as businesses start to try to become more self-sufficient by using local source maybe than relying on supply chains that are overseas and all those delivery issues that then are coupled with that.
Has Mills CNC got umbrellas like this? It's quite a flash one, isn't it?
I'm sure we have, but yeah.
Probably don't need them as much in England.
Well, no, but they tend to get taken as well and they don't come back, so yeah.
Great stuff. Thank you very much,
Right.
Tony. Been a pleasure to be here with you and Declan for the last couple of days.
No,
Thank you.
good to see you guys anyway. Thanks.
Thank you.